Are you tired of dealing with skin and hair problems that just won't go away? Maybe you just feel frustrated with the high costs and questionable ingredients of commercial beauty and health products. Then join me, Angelique, of D.I.Y. Beauty Angel, as I show you how to create your own apple cider vinegar packed with natural remedies for your skin, hair, and overall health. Now, let's talk about the ingredients. You will need 6 to 8 organic apples, half a cup of sugar, a 3-liter glass jar, and about 2 liters of water safe enough to drink. As for the water you use, if it's tap water, let it sit for at least 24 hours to let the chlorine evaporate. Now, let's cut some apples. Once they are sliced and diced, add them to your 3-liter glass jar. Fill the jar with enough water to cover the apples, leaving some space at the top of the jar for air to circulate. Next, you will add a half cup of sugar, which helps to kickstart the fermentation process. Oh yeah, and avoid metal utensils, because metal can react with the vinegar and affect its taste and quality. Now that everything is combined together, cover the jar with a clean piece of fabric and a rubber band or whatever you have to hold the fabric in place. And don't forget to make a label. Then you will need to put it in a cool, dark place for about 3 weeks, stirring it every day or every other day to prevent mold from developing. Once the apple cider vinegar has processed for about 3 weeks, transfer it to glass bottles to continue processing. I cover the bottle opening with fabric, store it again in a cool, dark place, and then leave it alone. The mother will become more visible in about 2 weeks. I prefer to let the mother stay in the vinegar, but it could also be reused to speed the process when creating another batch of vinegar. It might look weird to have something looking like this floating in your vinegar, but believe me, it's a very good thing to see. Tell them why, Angelica.
Thanks, Angelique. The mother is rich in acetic acid, which is the primary active component in apple cider vinegar that provides many of its health benefits. It is considered to be very good because it contains beneficial bacteria and enzymes that are formed during the fermentation process.
But the benefits don't stop there. In fact, homemade vinegar has a range of health and beauty benefits. Tell them, Angelica.
Thanks, Angelique. For example, you can use apple cider vinegar as a toner for your skin, which helps in reducing inflammation and balancing pH levels. It may also help to clear up acne and other skin conditions, or as a hair rinse to remove buildup and add shine. Plus, it's a great source of probiotics, which can help support your digestion. It assists with weight loss, regulates blood sugar levels, improves heart health, has antimicrobial properties that help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses in the body.
So why not give it a try? Making your own apple cider vinegar is a rewarding DIY Beauty Angel project that anyone can do.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Join our community on a journey to radiant beauty powered by nature. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. We can't wait to hear from you. See you soon.